Reading Part C worksheet. In this test, you will have 2 minutes to attempt the question first, and then you can check the answer. Synthetic voices, questions 1 to 4. The correct answer is A, part of their identity. When you read the highlighted portion of the paragraph, our voices define us. They allow our loved ones to identify us over the phone or when visibility is poor. They distinguish us as individuals from certain parts of the world, and they can even indicate our social standing. In this, the words distinguish and the phrase indicate our social standing indicates that our voice is part of our identity. Now, let's look at the next question. The correct answer is B, Patients often suffer from various conditions. Now, the question is, why does the writer believe it is important that speech replacement devices be operated by a variety of methods? Greater than reading the highlighted section of the paragraph, as permanent loss of voice is often caused by respiratory issues resulting from other illnesses. However, it's important that speech replacement devices for those who have lost their voice take the patient's other disabilities into account. This section implies that patients may suffer from various conditions and should take patients' other disabilities into consideration. Now, let's try the next question. The correct answer for this question is C, the limited communication options for disabled people. The question is, we learn that Reg Malling developed the POSM due to, in simple words, this means, why did Reg Malling develop POSM? The highlighted portion of the paragraph, the first electrical communication device for disabled people who could not speak, a sip and puff typewriter called the POSM, patient-oriented selector mechanism, was developed by Reg Malling, a volunteer at a hospital for paralyzed people, after he discovered that patients at the hospital who had lost the use of their voice were only able to communicate using a bell. This implies that the only option that patients had was to communicate using a bell. Hence, they had limited communication options. Let's attempt the next question now. The correct answer is they were heavy and bulky. Quote. Now the question is, why were early portable AACs problematic for those not in wheelchairs? And the paragraph reads, the first portable, commercially available adaptive alternative communication devices, or AACs, were produced. Although they were advertised as portable, these devices often weighed a hefty 15 to 20 pounds and tended to range from 20 to 25 inches in size. In this, the word hefty means heavy. So, the answer is that adaptive alternative communication devices, or AACs, were heavy and bulky. I hope you found this video useful for your Reading Part C practice. Please subscribe to our channel for more reading practice videos. Please check out our other OET practice videos. Thanks for your time.